Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So this week's video is going to be how I get ready for vacation. So I'm going to Cabo this weekend. It's my first time there. I'm really excited, and I've never been to Cabo before, and I'm taking a little girls trip with some friends, so I'm super pumped. We went on a girls trip last year to Yucatan in Mexico, if you guys saw that vlog. So it's some of those same friends and we're all going, and I'm really excited. So I have a lot to do to prepare because I gotta be vacation ready. Like, y'all know the deal. There's just a certain routine of things you gotta do to get ready to chill. Isn't it weird we have to get ready to relax? First up today is nails. I like to spread out everything throughout the week, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me during the week. I don't like to do everything at once, everything in one day, because I've got work and I don't want to stress out. And I mean, I usually do pack the night before, but we'll talk about that later. I'm getting my nails done today. I've had this at like 3 weeks. I do gel extension. I don't do acrylic anymore, and they're amazing. I always do like little nail videos on my Instagram. On IGTV, I have like a whole nail section, but I think I might even go coffin or square today. If you're new, what's up? My name's Amanda. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'm really sorry my voice is like gone. Like, it's gone. I stayed up really late and we had some friends over. You know what? I lied. First stop is not nails. First stop is coffee. So let's get coffee first, and then we'll get nails. Hi guys, I am getting ready to head to the gym. I just put in a new Invisalign tray, so if I sound a little different, that's why, because it's kind of tight on my teeth right now. But yesterday, after I got my nails done, I had to rush to a meeting, adulting, lame. So I didn't really vlog much else yesterday, but I was like, I want chili pepper red, like the emoji nails. I'm getting ready to work out. That's another thing I'm trying to do all week is work out so I can look good. To be honest, this vacation kind of threw me for a loop because I'm still on my winter body right now. I'm not prepared for bikini season, and I'm about to start. I just realized, so that's great. Love that for me. I just did an espresso shot, and I'm gonna go work out on an empty stomach so I can burn more calories. And yeah, we're gonna get our workout done. And then later today, we have a spray tan, and I have not gotten a spray tan. I couldn't even tell you how long. I used to get them very often, and I haven't gotten one. I mean, it's been a long time, maybe since last summer. All right, let's do it. Instagram pose versus normal. Do a quick little spot mask. I'm putting some Umbrian clay on because I'm breaking out. I know this is hormonal, probably because I'm about to start, but it's so annoying. Always before I like have something that I need to go to or vacation, this always happens. It is almost spray tan time. I showered and everything, and then I went to go get some coffee because I've been working on my computer and I need a caffeine shot because I was tired. But anyways, so I'm going to get my spray tan on. I gotta take my jewelry off, and I'll bring you guys with me as soon as she gets here. Right, tan is on. These nails are gonna look so good with a tan. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep in this. I kind of want to get some sushi, so I think I'm gonna get some sushi right now. I worked out hard at the gym today. I'm trying to get bikini ready in like 4 days, and it is a struggle bus. Oh, let me show you these really cool products she dropped off. Let me show you these. These look so cool. I can't wait to try them. She brought me all of these goodies. I can't even believe that she did that. She gave me a hydrator. These are all formulated for tans. This you leave on for 2 minutes and your tan just comes off. So I can't wait to use this when my tan's gone and see how easy it is to exfoliate it off. So she brought these goodies. I can't wait to try it. This one has green tea. Holla. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack my makeup right now. I'm not gonna be packing my clothes until tomorrow. I always do it the day before. It's the worst thing ever, I know. I always wait till last minute, but I have some clothes that are supposed to come in tomorrow, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna pack my makeup right now. I'm gonna try to pack light and do the natural thing. Shut up at my door and was like,
And I,
and I, oops. I'm loving it. It is Thursday. I leave tomorrow and I'm just about to, there's like a hair on my camera. I'm just about to get my hair done. I'm here with Nick. We're going to maybe refresh my color, add some extensions, cut them, maybe like a medium length. I'm super excited. By the way, you guys haven't seen my tan since yesterday. I'm like Boricua now. Like, who am I? Like, tan added a whole new level of feisty in these nails. All right, let's do it. Angie, what are we doing on my hair again?
So we are gonna refresh the dark and make it really shiny.
All right, hair is done. I'm feeling like a brand new woman right now. Ooh, that's super bright. Okay, let's go this way. Put all of my Bellamy clip-ins in. I'll share with you guys in a little bit which extensions I use, but now I'm gonna go get the girls. The girls, we took them for a bath this morning, so we gotta go pick them up now. They're gonna be so mad because they hate getting baths. You guys look so cute. I love your hair, it looks so shiny. What highlight is that, Molly? Where'd you get it? Whose is it? Aspen's like just straight chilling right now. Comfort first is my motto. I got these sweats I bought from MissGuided, this top. I've had this top forever. And then my shoes are LB, and my little purse is from Gucci, and my little necklace is from Amazon. I love my hair so much. I went for like a medium length and I wanted the ends to be curved inwards. I didn't want to go as long as I usually go. These are clip-in extensions. I got the Bellamy Khaleesi set. It's 280 grams of hair, so it's a lot of hair, so it adds thickness. I got the 20 inches and then he cut, I think he cut like 6 inches off of these bad boys. And I love how it's like a medium length because my hair is obviously shorter, but I didn't want to go as long as I have been going. In the past, I'm like only confident with long hair. Like, I love long hair, but I've been on a medium vibe lately. I mean, I know it's still long, don't get me wrong, but this for me is short when I do clip-in extensions. Usually I keep them the length, or I go to like 22s. If I have a lip gloss anywhere, I'm sorry. I actually realized I had food in my teeth at the hair salon because I had an everything bagel and some like seeds got in my teeth. So if it's in the vlog, just ignore it. It's fine, it's life. I'm about to start packing. I got one of my packages in for my clothing, but the main one with like all of my resort type of wear has not come in yet. I did order a while ago, but sometimes it just takes a while. So my MissGuided package I bought actually was on time. In the past, I have like ordered MissGuided and then it takes a little bit longer or it gets stuck because it's in the UK. So that one actually came in on time. This girls trip is gonna be really low key. I'm really not that worried about it. Like, I really just wanna chill and try to relax, but also I wanna try to vlog for you guys because, you know, I'm learning the whole vlog thing, and at first I was like, oh, I don't know, it's awkward, but I really love vlogging and it's really fun. And I get to look back like at our girls trip I vlogged last year in Mexico. I wish I would have vlogged the trip Raphael and I went on. Like, that was purely a relaxation thing. I didn't want to vlog, but I wish I would have because it's like a little scrapbook. It's like a memory album you can go look back on. And I was watching my old vlog. I'm like, oh my gosh, so many memories. So I'm gonna try to vlog and also get some cute pics. You know, I haven't really been stunting on the gram as much lately. I've been focused more on like TikTok, and I've been, you know, vlogging and stuff. But I wanna, like, you know, feel a little cute. Also, I feel like in this light I don't look tan, but I'm really tan, you guys. Nelly did so good. Like, I look really tan. I woke up feeling like I'm Puerto Rican for once. And don't get me wrong, Puerto Ricans are all tones. You don't have to be tan to look like you're Puerto Rican by any means, but I definitely feel more like spicy when I got a little tan on. P.S. Patrick Starr came over last night and I thought we were just gonna like hang out, chill. We ended up talking till 3:30 in the morning. And it was like we literally talked for 7 hours. And I am a grandma, so I was struggle bus this morning. I had to wake up at 7 and I was hella tired. There's still construction next door, as you guys can hear. You hear that? It's all day. is all day. I wish I could sleep in my clip-in extensions. I'm sure some people do, but I can't. I feel like it's too uncomfortable for me, so I'll have to take them out soon. But I'm gonna start going through my clothes. I feel like what takes me the longest is packing my clothing because I don't plan it out ahead of time. I shouldn't pack that much because it's only Friday to Sunday, but you know I probably will, and I'll regret it. As soon as I leave my house, I'm like, why did I pack so much? Come on, girls. Let's look at the new clothes. Here, Molly. Open it.
Yeah, she doesn't like the glass bit. She's very strong.
She is strong. Come here. Come here, Molly. You guys, my package came in last minute. Saved by the bell. All right, I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got. Look how cute this hat is. Has like a cheetah ribbon around it, and then this cute little bag, belt. Got some very holiday resort shoes. I'm not taking all of this. I'll definitely wear it this summer. Love this like citrine yellow one. It's like a silk and has like flowers. A little red señorita dress. I took my extensions out so you can see how long my hair is. I just woke up from a nap. I took like a 20-minute nap, like I needed a breather. So my hair is growing. I just finished trying on clothes upstairs. I've got a big comfy t-shirt on now, and I'm going through the MissGuided stuff that I bought, and look at these olive sweats. Okay, I don't care what anyone says, olive is my color. These are so cute. They're a little bit more green in person. This filter makes them look a little bit less olive, but I can't wait to wear these. I almost bought two, but I was like, let me see how they fit first because MissGuided had 50% off, so I hopped on that. It is hard to find olive sweats, and this is my color. I can't wait to wear these. I'm figuring out what I want to wear tomorrow on the plane. I literally just bought new sweats. Shock. I don't know why. I've been wanting one of these shell necklaces forever. I know they're cheaper on Amazon, and I should have bought it on Amazon, but they were doing 50% off, so I grabbed it up. But I can't wait to wear it. It's just so beachy. It reminds me of like Point of View 2001, and you're listening to Britney Spears and your crush is wearing this. I bought these shoes. I'm such a sneakerhead, but I don't know how I feel about them. Okay, they're super cute. Like, I love the way they look, but they just don't feel very sturdy. I mean, they weren't very expensive, but still, I think they might have looked cuter online than in person. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or not, but they is cute though. Hold up. MissGuided tall. I'm 5'1", 5'2" on a good day. And I even thought about wearing the baby pink ones tomorrow. Okay, I need to try these on real quick. Well, if I just pull them up to my boobs, we're good. It's all right if it's a little baggy, right? I've been craving Taco Bell for a hot minute, like a month at this point. And I've been working out this week, cutting back on sugar, and I caved. I got a quesarito and a cheesy gordita crunch. So I'm gonna be looking real good in a bathing suit on the trip. But it's all right, you know why? Because life's too short, so I got Taco Bell. Honestly, this Taco Bell is about to make me happy right now, so